Welcome, dear students. During this class, we will study about the waves, and we have already started this chapter for the types of the waves. And then here it is. What is the difference between progressive and stationary waves? After discussing this topic in the class, so we will discuss during this time when we have started some of the important questions for the waves. If you look at one side, these are progressive, these are the stationary waves. Those waves which transport energy from one place to another place without transportation of material object. These are called progressive waves. Those waves which transport energy from one place to another place without transportation of material object. Stationary waves are when two or more than two waves having same amplitude, frequency, traveling in the same direction, traveling in the same speed and in opposite direction along a straight line. They superimposed each other. The wave obtained is called stationary wave. This is called this is the concept of stationary waves. Two waves having same amplitude, same frequency, same speed, but traveling in opposite direction. They superimpose each other. The waves obtained after they superimpose each other. That types of the waves are called standing. These are also called stationary waves. One example of these waves is the waves produced in the rope. So many vibration, number two. Number one, we have already discussed. Many vibrating objects act as source for the generation of the waves, where in case of progressive waves. These waves can be set up in medium which do not transmit energy from one place to another. So that's why one reason is that's why they are called stationary all this time. They don't transmit energy. This is a disturbance produced in one of the medium. In progressive wave number three, progressive wave, all particles have same amplitude of vibration. So where the particles have the same amplitude of vibration, they are called progressive waves. But standing waves, particles of the wave different amplitudes and vibration, as we have discussed the concept of node and antinode. There a node and antinodes are the two places where the vibration of the particles is totally different. In some place amplitude is zero, at some place the amplitude is maximum. So this is the concept of stationary waves where the particles of medium have different amplitude and vibration. But in case of progressive wave, amplitude and of the vibration are the same. So traveling waves are characterized by crest and trough, compression and rarefactions. But in case of standing waves, they are characterized by nodes and antinodes. Nodes and antinodes, they are the points on the standing waves where the vibration of the particle is zero, that are node. And antinodes are where the particles of medium are having maximum amplitude. So the progressive waves are not confined in bounded system, but travel unrestricted like the water waves in the sea, in the pond, in the lake. And the sound waves after generation, they are moving away from the source. So this is the concept of progressive waves. But in case of stationary waves, which have boundaries and as a string or a spring attached between the two fixed clamps. So if you fix the two ends of a string or a spring, you pluck the center and release it, it will start moving up and down. They are fixed between the two boundaries, so that's why they are unable to transfer the energy as well. So the particles of mediums are moving up and down. They are not moving away from the source from where they are generated. Such types of the waves which are not responsible for the transfer of energy are called stationary waves, and other types of the wave in which the particles of medium are not confined in the boundaries that are called progressive waves. They move away from the source. So with this, I thank you very much for your interest and cooperation, for your attention. Thank you very much.